girl, where you going? Smile at us right now, girl.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Angel, and I'm back with another video today. It's been a minute, y'all. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know I've been talking a bit about why I haven't posted, and that's because I needed a mental break, which is like real and is essential. So yeah, but we're back now, and today's been actually a really good day. Just dipping my toes back into everything that I love to do, and one of those things being making videos. Been working on new products for my website, and just trying to bring to life all the ideas that I've been writing down, but I haven't been doing anything about, you know? Every time I have an idea to do something, I put it in my notes so that I don't forget, and so I can eventually do it. And this video was actually one of the ideas that I wrote down a while ago, and I figured I'd finally make it. I'm going to be talking about how to gain confidence, how to be confident on camera. So if you want to make video content for your Instagram or your business or whatever, or if you want to make YouTube videos, but you're too afraid to, you're too scared to talk on camera, you have insecurities, whatever the case may be, this video is for you, because honey, that used to be me. Kind of still is. Easing back into things right now. I have to remind myself to talk slow, to calm down, and to speak clearly and loudly, because at first, I was too scared to say anything at all. And then I noticed that I was just trying to get it over with and just said everything so fast. Like in some of my videos, like I literally run out of breath because I be trying to like say everything in 2 minutes. Like I gotta remind myself to calm down and take my time. So yeah. Before I started making my YouTube videos, I don't know, has it been a year now? I don't know. But before I started making my YouTube videos, I literally never, ever made a video talking on camera. Which is weird to say, but it's true. Because I just feel awkward on camera. Like, just learning to be myself on the camera. And that took definitely a while, and it's something that I'm still working on today. But you know, talking in front of a camera, it is awkward if you think about it. Like, it is. Nobody's there. You're basically talking to yourself, until you watch the video back on YouTube, and you know there's other people watching it, and you realize you're not talking to yourself. You're talking to who's ever watching your video, and that's the way I had to think about it. But at first, you know, it's definitely really awkward. Just felt like I was talking to myself. So yeah, in the beginning, I would try and talk on camera, and I would just instantly freeze up, and I wouldn't know what to say, and yeah, it was a mess. If you have the same issue and you're afraid to talk on camera, if you have insecurities or whatever the case may be, you're just scared for whatever reason, this is the video for you. So my first tip is going to be what I did. I'm going to tell you everything that I did to get comfortable, and these are the tips I have for you. My daughter, oh my goodness. Evan, put your shirt on. Put it on, okay? Sheesh. So my first tip is what I did, and that would be to make videos in your phone of yourself talking on camera or doing whatever, and just keep it to yourself or delete it afterwards, and do that for a while until you feel pretty comfortable. You're gonna be like, this is so weird, I can't do it, but just keep going. Try again tomorrow, and it'll just come more naturally to you. And once you feel comfortable doing that, then tip number 2, the next step is going to be make short videos on Instagram, on Facebook, on Snapchat, whatever. Just talking about your day or whatever you want to talk about, and post it. Other people can see it now, okay? But it's gonna be okay because it's gonna be just a short video. It doesn't have to mean anything, and it's gonna be okay. And after you do that, do it again the next day or later in the day, and just do that until you get comfortable. And then after that, once you're comfortable, you can try and sit down and film the videos that you actually want to film. And just know that you're not going to suddenly one day just feel comfortable and be able to be natural on camera just magically. You're gonna have to, you know, put out some awkward videos. You're gonna have to put yourself out there, and you're gonna have to practice. Practice makes perfect. For everything we do, we have to practice, and you might fail at first. You might be really awkward at first, and you might want to delete the video later. You might want to unlist it or whatever, but whatever. At least you did it. And in a couple years or a couple months, you're gonna thank yourself, and you're gonna be so happy that you stopped worrying and stressing about all the reasons that you shouldn't do it. You're gonna be so happy for all the reasons that you did do it. That's what we need to focus on here. Why you want to make these videos, and how it can benefit you and how it can benefit others, if depending what kind of videos you want to make. That's what we have to focus on here. We can't focus on the reasons that you don't want to do it. Like, for anything in life, we can never focus on those reasons. Yes, we acknowledge that they're there, but we can't let them hold us back, you know? So whatever your reasons are for being afraid to make a YouTube channel, or to make video content, or to even just speak on camera, okay, we realize that they're there, but we can't let them hold us back. So you just have to start doing it. You have to start taking the steps, and you'll thank yourself for it later. I hope this video helped somebody that was afraid to speak on camera or has some anxiety speaking on camera. Just taking these small steps and just gaining that confidence with yourself and with the camera, and not thinking of it as you're talking to yourself alone, but you're talking to whoever the video is for. It's gonna make it a lot easier for you. I hope this video helped whoever has this problem. Just know that you're not alone. You're not the only one that feels this way. I've been there. I'm still there. It's a work in progress. But with anything, like I said, you just have to get started. Stop worrying about what could happen or all those negative reasons. It doesn't matter. And don't let the fear of what other people will say affect you in anything you do, because you could be holding yourself back from greatness, and you never know who could benefit from watching your videos. So that's all that really matters here. Forget the haters and do you, boo, okay? I don't know what that was. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at AngelGillenOfficial. I'm getting back on there, trying to start posting daily again. I miss Instagram so much, I really did. I guess that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.